Most people compare Earnin and Albert without understanding how different they really are. That's where confusion starts. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the better app is not the one with the flashiest features. It is the one that fits your income pattern, fees, and how fast you actually need money. In this video, you'll get a clear, simple breakdown of Earnin versus Albert, so you can decide which one works better for you. Let's start with what each app actually does. Earnin is mainly a cash advance app. It lets you access money you have already earned from your job before payday. It tracks your income through work hours or bank deposits, and allows early withdrawals based on that. Albert is different. It is a financial app that includes cash advances, but also adds budgeting tools, savings features, and financial advice options. It is more like a money management platform with extra services. For example, Alex uses Earnin because he just wants quick access to his paycheck when bills come early. Jake prefers Albert because he wants help tracking spending and building savings habits. Now here's where most people get confused. They assume both apps approve the same way. They don't. The approval systems and limits are very different. Let's break it down, step by step. First, Earnin. Earnin focuses on your work history and earnings. If you have a stable paycheck and consistent hours, you may qualify for higher advances over time. There is no traditional interest, but optional tips and instant transfer fees may apply. Now here's where it gets interesting. Earnin is more flexible for hourly workers, but it depends heavily on consistent income tracking. If your schedule changes often, your limit may change too. Now let's look at Albert. Albert offers cash advances through its Genius feature, but the app also charges a subscription for premium tools. The cash advance amount is usually smaller at first, but the app includes budgeting insights, savings automation, and financial coaching tools. Jake found Albert helpful because even when he was not borrowing money, the app helped him reduce overspending. But here's the problem. This is where many users choose the wrong app. They focus only on cash advance size and ignore long-term financial tools or fees. That leads to disappointment when expectations don't match reality. Now let's compare speed. Earnin can send funds quickly, especially with instant transfer options, but those may come with extra fees. Albert also offers fast transfers for eligible users, but speed depends on account activity and subscription status. In a minute, I'll break down which app is better depending on your situation. If you want a simple tool just for early access to wages, Earnin is usually more direct. If you want cash advances plus budgeting, savings, and financial guidance, Albert may offer more value overall. Now here's where it gets interesting. Albert tries to help you reduce the need for advances over time, while Earnin focuses more on giving you access to money you have already earned. So which one is better in 2026? The answer depends on your goal. Earnin is better for fast paycheck access with fewer features. Albert is better for people who want financial structure and long-term money management. The key takeaway is simple. Don't choose based only on cash advance limits. Choose based on whether you want a quick cash tool or a full financial app. If this comparison helped you understand Earnin versus Albert clearly, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.